Hi everyone, my name is Bader. I am a web developer at Alpha Strategy, and today we're going to be talking about responsive web design. Why that is important? Because we have so many devices today. We have computer screens, we have tablets, and we have smartphones. And we need our websites to be able to adapt to the width of these screens. These platforms are being used by everyone, so that's why they're important. Few advantages of having a responsive web design. The first one is to have your website be user-friendly. That is, to have the content on your website be readable, and you don't want your users to zoom into text or zoom into pictures. This is not a good experience on the phone. You want to take advantage of the whole width of that screen, as well as screen for example, a tablet. So the second advantage of having a responsive web design is to have Google pick you up and put you on top of the search results. Google will know whether your website is responsive, and it will favorite those ones that have a responsive web design. The third advantage is you will have simpler updates in the future. And every website does need an update after some time. And when that time comes and you want to add new elements to your website is already responsive. You don't have to do all of that work. You've already done it. You can only work on that element that you're adding in, and that will be the end of the story. So those were only a few good points of having a responsive web design. Every website should be responsive. And if your website isn't, come see us at Alpha Strategy.